Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the simple future tense. Grab a notebook, pen or pencil so you can take notes during our video. I know we've already talked about this in class, okay? But it is very important that you, at home, are reviewing what you've already learned so you do not forget it, okay? Remember, at the beginning of the year in August, you will have competency-based diagnostic testing. So please study. Okay? If you remember when we read a story about Marty the Mouse and his actions in the simple future, okay? So Marty the Mouse can help you remember how to use our future tense. When do we use the future tense? What is it? Okay? We use the future tense when we are talking about things that have not happened yet. Things that will happen in the future. We also use it to ask for instructions or advice. How do we make our simple future tense? What is our simple future tense secret formula? We use will plus the verb in the infinitive. That's it. You don't have to conjugate your verb. You don't have to do anything fancy. You don't have to add any D or ED. All you do is take your will and add your verb in the infinitive. We have some examples right here. Will plus be, will plus go, and will plus see are all verbs in the simple future tense. Now, let's look at some examples together, okay? Number 1, Marty the mouse, the subject of our sentence, will go to meet Molly the mouse. Will go is in the simple future tense. The will is our future, will happen in the future, and our go is our verb in the infinitive. Marty the mouse will read War and Peace. Again, we have our will to indicate that it will happen in the future, and our read is our verb in the infinitive. And finally, Marty the mouse will swim in the ocean tomorrow. Will is our indicating it's in the future, and swim is our verb in the infinitive. It's pretty easy, right? All right, everyone, let's try another activity together, okay? I want you to pause the video and read the following paragraph and identify the sentences in the simple future tense, okay? Right now, I'll read the paragraph out loud to you, then you can pause and make sure you're figuring out which sentences are in the simple future tense. Let's read together. Marty the mouse loves to eat pizza. Sometimes he steals pizza from the trash cans around his house. Ew. Tomorrow, he will go to a big trash can in the park to steal pizza. His friend, Molly the mouse, will go with him. They will search the trash cans for the pizza. Molly and Marty love to eat pizza in the park. Pause this video right now and figure out which sentences are in the simple future tense. When you're done, unpause the video and we'll review. Here is our Marty the mouse with his pizza. I'm going to start by reading the paragraph and going over the answers with you, okay? Make sure you're following along and figuring out what you got correct and maybe what you need to work on, all right? So, Marty the mouse loves to eat pizza. This sentence does not have a will in it, nor does it have a verb in the infinitive because love is in the present simple tense. Therefore, we know that this sentence is not in our simple future tense. Sometimes he steals pizza from the trash cans around his house. I don't see a will in this sentence, and our verb has an S, so it's not in the infinitive. So this one can't be in the simple future tense. Let's look at the next sentence. Tomorrow, he will go to a big trash can in the park to steal pizza. Interesting. He will go. We have our will, which indicates that this has not happened yet, that it will happen. And we have our go, which is our verb in the infinitive. This sentence is in the simple future tense. His friend, Molly the mouse, will go with him. Will is in our indicating that this has not happened yet, and go is our verb in the infinitive. So Molly the mouse will go with him in the future. This is our second sentence in the future simple tense. They will search the trash cans for the pizza. Will, this hasn't happened yet, and search. Our verb is in the infinitive. There's not an S or a D or an ED, so we know that it is in its purest form. So this is our third and final sentence in the simple future tense in this paragraph. Molly and Marty love to eat pizza in the park. Now, this sentence is not in the simple future tense. It is in the present tense. Molly and Marty, two subjects, love. Love in this case is in the present tense. Great job. Remember, okay, we use the future simple tense to talk about things that have not happened yet. So things in the future, things that have not happened yet. To make the future simple tense is really easy. It might be the easiest of all of our tenses, okay? All you need is will plus a verb in the infinitive. So, for example, will plus go, will plus be, will plus see, or will plus read. These are all sentences or fragments in the future simple tense, okay? So, will plus a verb in the infinitive, future simple tense. Now, please go practice more on Google Classroom. Look at the assignment I've posted for you. Practice, practice, practice. You will take a competency-based assessment. This will be on it. You need to know this, all right? Practice, practice, practice. If you have questions, you can email me individually. I miss you guys. I hope you're staying safe and washing your hands. Sending lots of love.